Meet the axolotl, a salamander that never grows up. But how does this adorable creature stay forever young? Let's find out. The axolotl stays in its larval form its entire life, a phenomenon called neoteny. That means it keeps its cute gills and never fully matures. But wait, it gets cooler. These little guys can regrow almost any body part, limbs, tails, even parts of their heart and brain. Scientists are studying them to unlock the secrets of regeneration. So, here's a question. If you could regrow any body part, what would it be? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to share this amazing fact about nature's forever young superhero.